The VSE127H05 adapter set is designed for the removal and installation of ball joints on the Mercedes Sprinter range of vehicles. For removal, use these parts of the adapter set. The tool can be used with a standard workshop press, but when used with the VSE127H hydraulic ram, the job can be carried out in situ on the vehicle, saving valuable time and effort. However, for improved clarity, we have removed the wishbone from the vehicle. Assemble the tool as shown. Then turn the ram handle clockwise to push out the ball joint. Now you can dismantle the tool and remove the ball joint from the wishbone. And that completes the removal procedure. For installation, use these parts of the adapter set. Push fit the new ball joint, then assemble the installation components as shown. Now press the joint home using either the VSE127H hydraulic ram or alternatively a workshop press. Turn the ram clockwise till the joint is fully engaged. The VSE127H05 makes a tedious job quick and easy. And that completes the installation procedure. Other adapters are available covering a wide range of vehicles. All of these are compatible with the VSE127H hydraulic ram kit, making this a valuable tool for your workshop.